What's going on, YouTube? It's Alex here with Present Moment Photographs, and this morning we're at Coal Mine Canyon up in northern Arizona, and we're going to be talking about shooting sunstars. So yeah, as you can see, I mean, it's a beautiful canyon down in there. All right, so we're here early morning for the sunrise, and there's a lot of cool sort of vantage points you can kind of pick and choose between. The sun does rise out east, which is kind of to the right side of the canyon, so I picked sort of a central leftish side so I could get a sunstar. And yeah, I mean, as you can see, the canyon is just stunning with some really nice colors in the sky right now. I got some cool pictures of just that as well. And now it's just really timing, waiting for the sun to come up to shoot the sunstar. So these are just a few images here I'm going to show that I shot before the sun star and before the sunrise came up, and there were just some really nice colors and textures all around, and I was really happy with these. So there's a few key points you want to note when shooting sunstars, and really the main thing is that the sun has to be partially blocked off by something, and in this case it'll be the horizon, but it could be like a tree or a rock. If part of the sun is like covered or blocked by something, that'll really help with the nice star look. And then the other thing you need is for your aperture to be it kind of depends, but anywhere from like the 10 to 20 range. The higher the number your f-stop is, the more pointy star type shot you'll get, but you can play around with it and see what works. I know it kind of depends, other settings too and whatnot. You might want a lower aperture versus a higher aperture, so it just kind of depends, but I'll show you my setup on what we got going on here as the sun's just starting to come up now. All right, so the sun is up now, and I've got my camera set up here. I took quite a few shots already just for the sake of time and getting the sunstar before it really got too far over the horizon. I'm shooting at f18 and f20 mainly, ISO 100, and then just adjusting the shutter speed as necessary. It was between 1/10 and 1/25. I got a couple pictures, but yeah, I mean, really amazing views all around. So these are the sunstar images that I captured, and this first one's in a landscape mode. The sun looks nice. It's a little blown out just because it had been over the horizon a bit more than I had wanted and whatnot. But I like the sun on the right and sort of the temple off in the background on the left. Then here's another shot I took vertically. I actually like this one more. I think the star's a little crisper, more pointier and tighter. And I took that shot a little earlier in the morning than I did the first shot I showed. But both of those I was very happy with how they turned out. All right, so we'll just go over it one more time again really quickly. So when you're shooting sunstars, you need a high aperture. So I don't know, around f18 or so. And then another thing that you need is the sun to be halfway or partially across the horizon or a tree or some sort of surface. And those are the two main things that'll help you get really good sunstar shots. Other than that, you can adjust the photo and the composition accordingly how you would like it. So yeah, I hope you all enjoyed today's video and liked the pictures and got something out of it. So yeah, if you did, make sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already. I would really appreciate it, and we'll see you in the next one.